Hey everyone! Today I'm going to tell you why Brussels sprouts should be your new favorite vegetable. You might be thinking, why Brussels sprouts instead of cabbage? Well, both are really good for you, but Brussels sprouts? They're like tiny superheroes packed with good stuff. Let's get started. First, here are 5 reasons to eat these little green balls of goodness. 1. They're full of nutrients. Brussels sprouts have lots of vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. These help your body fight off germs and keep your bones strong. 2. They fight inflammation. These mini cabbages have special ingredients that help reduce swelling and protect you from getting sick. 3. They're good for your heart. The fiber and antioxidants help lower cholesterol and keep your heart healthy and strong. 4. They help your body get rid of bad stuff. Brussels sprouts help your liver clean out toxins, which are like little bad guys in your body. 5. They keep you full. They have lots of fiber and are low in calories, so they're perfect if you're trying to eat healthy. One quick thing, if you take anticoagulants like warfarin, the high vitamin K content in Brussels sprout requires monitoring. Okay, now that you know how great they are, let's talk about 5 easy ways to cook them. 1. Roast them in the oven. Toss them with olive oil, salt and pepper, cook them at 400 degrees until they're crispy and a little bit brown. So yummy. 2. Sauté them in a pan. Slice them thinly and cook them with garlic, a little lemon juice, and some Parmesan cheese. Delicious. 3. Cook them in an air fryer. Put some balsamic glaze on them and cook them in the air fryer until they're crispy and sweet. 4. Make a Brussels sprout salad. Shred the sprouts and mix them with apple slices, walnuts, and a tangy dressing. Fresh and crunchy. 5. Add them to a stir fry. Put them in your favorite stir fry with soy sauce and sesame oil for a yummy crunch. There you go. 5 reasons to love Brussels sprouts and 5 easy ways to cook them. Try these recipes and make this veggie a family favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy food tips. See you next time.